Welcome to Chow Down with Walmart, Valentine's Day edition. Today, we're going to watch my dad make cake balls, my favorite treat. Don't forget your apron. I get so messy when I help in the kitchen. Ask your grown-up to order ingredients from Walmart. Cake ball time! Eggs are super tricky, so maybe ask for help. But mixing is fun, just don't go too fast. I like to squeeze in a quick puzzle while my dad cooks the cake in the oven. Gotta wait for the cake to cool to mix it up. Whoa, watch it get smushed around. That's so funny. Don't make the balls too big, or you can't have more than one when they're done. I'm giving these to my family for Valentine's Day. Another job for an adult, but if you ask nicely, you can lick the bowl when it's cool. Waiting to eat cake balls takes forever. Waiting to decorate cake balls takes forever. I like lots of sprinkles. Lots and lots and lots of sprinkles. Happy Valentine's Day! Enjoy your yummy cake balls, and when you give them out as treats, don't forget to save some for yourself. Don't forget to subscribe for lots more fun and deliciousness.